like $800. And then I maxed that and had 3 real spins.
Oh. Right.
If this rolls out 3 cherries on max bet, that's $125,000. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Oh, come on. 3 cherries. Oh shit. Shit. Come on, baby, come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope.
Be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to another edition of Red Screen Ninja. Thank you for following us on this group pool adventure. I promise you in this episode there'll be a few hand pays to look forward to. This particular machine, one of our members is playing a $5 max bet of $90 per spin. So check out this footage here and we'll see you shortly. Is that a red spin?
It'll say red spins across it, and this thing lights up a little bit. I want to get up to 10K, that's my goal.
Okay.
Alright? Now I'm gonna go full. So now this is the deadest it's been. It's camera shy.
Next year, cool. We're doing it on Friday night.
Friday night.
Friday night. I just feel like Friday's hard for people to get here. They work at it.
Yeah, sure.
Now. No red screen yet. Look at this one, hang on. Well, West is really well.
About 500. Wow. All of a sudden I was like $18, like $20. Okay, that's tough.
So they have these dollars, and they have them. I think they might have them $2 maybe too. But it can spin 2, 3, 4, 5 times. But kind of streaky. So this is the lowest it's been. Ah, come on. It's not done yet.
Now, fun fact here, when we came here on this particular group pool night, it was Friday night, and we went inside the high limit room. The $500 Mr. Moneybag was just hit maybe 10 minutes earlier from a gentleman who put in $2,000 and on his first bet hit $500,000. It was $510,000 or something like that. Now previously we met a gentleman that was playing that machine, and he told us that He loaded $10,000 in that machine, and it didn't do nothing for him. And after he got off of it, this guy came in, maybe moments after, put in a $2,000 ticket, and sure enough, on his first spin, hits $500,000. Sick. Now, seeing that hand pay to the right of us, and we figured all the money we just deposit on the left side, we might as well jump on this one to give it a spin and see how that goes. So we both put in $800 total, and we're going to give this a spin.
Oh, that's nothing.
No.
Oh.
All right. You want to
Oh, no, go, just keep hitting if you want. It's good.
Come on now. We got this.
Is there any particular pattern we're looking for?
I don't know the patterns on this, to be honest.
There you have it, guys. The first hand pay in this series.
All right, ready?
Ready?
Okay. Is that something?
It's not red, but that's a beautiful hit, though.
No, it doesn't really line up there.
Yeah. That one? Yeah. 120.
Right there.
Yeah.
Is that what's it? 600?
Yep. If that would have turned red, that would have been amazing. I thought it was going to turn red. Okay. Just take it.
Alright.
I'm really getting... Alright. Give it another shot. I don't know. Yellow, girl, yellow. She hit again. What'd she hit this time?
She hit money back triple.
That's a good run then. 9,000?
Oh, well, maybe 12. 12 or 16. 8 down, yeah.
Yeah, it was triple. What do you think? Money back. It might be a time to hit that machine right now.
Whatever you feel. What are we feeling?
So there you guys have it. We cashed out at $350 on this machine, and we jump over to my wife to see what she's doing, and she is playing the Crazy Cherries $5 max bet $25, and she's having a good run on this. So we're gonna see how this goes.
That's $125,000. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Oh, come on. Cherry. Oh, shit. Shit. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I hope it's a big one. Yay!
Yeah.
My first jackpot. Oh, my gosh.
Now there you have it, a $2,000 hand pay. Now that $2,000 hand pay was just on the last amount. The rest of the previous 4 spins have accumulated to where it's a couple $1,000s already. So that's the beautiful part over here at Choctaw that you don't get at other casinos. Now one thing I do want to point out is that in the bingo pattern here, the first 40 numbers that are highlighted in yellow is where all the numbers of all these 5 patterns are all covered in. So you're never going to get a pattern that's going to roll outside 40 numbers. So then when you see the numbers starting at 6, 16, 41, to me, anything afterwards, it doesn't matter, because once it resets back to 40. And to me, again, it doesn't matter if you wait after, that number or the G to play.
It kept giving me wins over and over again. Yeah. What's big? You know what I mean? It's giving me wins like this over and over again. That's the only reason why I was max betting. I was hoping to roll out some 3 cherries. Did that guy hit back to back over there? He rolled out one and rolled out another one, right?
Yeah, right afterwards.
Wow. It was giving me multiple reds at the beginning already.
clear yet?
From $2,800 now down to $2,300. We just ran through $500 without a single hello or any action, so we jumped machines. Now on this last machine here, when I jumped on it, I noticed the previous player before was doing very well on one bet. The one bet was turning red very frequently, but it was just bar, 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 and then it died. So after they left, I jumped in there and said, okay, well maybe I'll give it, 2 bets, 3 bets, just to see if it's gonna do anything. And sure enough, within 4 or 5 spins, and I noticed nothing was happening. But sure enough, back to 1, it's doing, bar, 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 and then luckily it rolled over and it did triple, triple, double. Now, when I see a symbol like that after bar, 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 that's double, 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 triple, 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 to me, I feel like it wants to pay out. But if you keep it on 1 forever, even if it rolls out triple, triple, symbol or symbol, symbol, triple, it's still not going to give you a big enough amount for a hand pay. So I try to bump it up and play 2 bets, 3 bets the whole time, just to see if I'm going to get any good response from it. So I ended up cashing out this ticket at $1,400, and then I turned off the camera and reinvested the money back in, and a few minutes later, $600 later, I ended up hitting a hand pay of $1,500 on max bets. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like more videos like this, please subscribe to our video and join us on our Facebook group page at Red Screen Ninja group chat for upcoming events, group pools, and prize giveaway and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.